They're checking the cars. Traffic warden there, look. Yeah, checking the cars. Don't worry. Yeah, so welcome to the channel today, everyone. We are in West Bay, and it's a gorgeous day here at the bay, as they call it. And give you a look round and see what you reckon to this for October. What a beautiful day in October, and it's not too cold either. It's about, I'll say it's about 15, 16 degrees in the sun. I'm just walking along the beach. It's a little bit more breezier around these parts because the sea's a little bit rough, but it's a beautiful day. And it isn't cold at all, to be honest, for this time of the year. I think it was the same last year as well. I think it was about, weren't too cold. But anyway, it's the beach area for you. If you fancy coming down for your holidays in 2026, this is what to expect. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit warmer than this. And, well, you hope. Got a little, down here, a little cuff now, I think. They sell all sorts of stuff here. Like a few meals and that. I think it's mostly crab as well and everything. So yeah, the hideaway, something like that. Anyway, we'll have a walk into the West Bay itself and see what you reckon. There's that cafe over there. Nice little cafe. They're checking the cars. Traffic warden there, look. Yeah, checking the cars. Don't worry, everyone. I have paid for 2 hours. And I hope I ain't got a ticket. Anyway, this is the Bridport Arms here. And very nice indeed, this place. Yeah, the Bridport Arms there, look. Nice pub to go in, and they're doing Christmas bookings now as well.
So what sort of cost is that? £50 fine.
Yeah, so we've just seen the Bridport Arms back there, and you've got a few shops over that way. Show you that. A few shops over there, and I come round, you got some ice cream gifts over there. Let's have a look over this way. Some amusements and that over there. Nice sort of hotel building there, look. Don't know what that's actually called actually, quite nice though. Anyway, as we're coming round, you got the harbour amusements just there. And not too bad, I haven't been in, but yeah, you got the harbour amusements just there, all open this time of the year anyway. There, look. And here you've got your bus stops. Now this one here, it's both go to either Lyme Regis and Weymouth from these bus stops here, just outside the amusements arcade. And then you've got the George Hotel, which last time I come by it had scaffolding up, but look at that beautiful painting done to that. Yeah, last time I come up here it had scaffolding up, and such a lovely, done that really nice. The George Hotel, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, like I say, you got your bus stops, West Bay, Lyme Regis, Weymouth, all outside by the George and the amusements. And just have a look over here at the Rise restaurants. Yeah, you got the Rise restaurants here. I haven't actually been in this place, but I've heard it's very, very good. It's good to try. Obviously, they may do breakfast here, and it's set on here by the water. A little bit like the Gurkha is in Weymouth actually. And yeah, quite a nice setting over here, the Rise. And you've got all that fields here to walk your dogs, just at the back here. Yes, that's the Rise restaurant. Obviously they do breakfast here, if you want to go for breakfast. It's supposed to be very good. I've heard a lot of comments and recommendations for it, which is very good over there. So that's the Rise restaurant. Well worth a visit when you come to West Bay. And as you can see, you got Motorcycle Hub, which is just here, where all the motorcycles gather in the summer and winter. And you got all these little fast food shops here, fish and chips if you want to, all fully open in the summer. There's only a couple open today, but it's not that bad. The prices are very expensive. I wouldn't say they're cheap, but yeah. So you got all these over here, and to have some coffee and some whatever you want, chips and things at West Bay. So that's the bottom bit. The harbour amusements, the George Hotel, the Rise, and all these lovely little restaurants along the roadside. The Rise restaurant from the distance here. I'm on the other side of it, which is, like I say, it's well worth a visit, and you should try it. And a lovely setting. The little ducks on the water, look, swimming across the bay there. Yeah, so that's some of the stuff at West Bay you can do today, and it's such a beautiful day. You wouldn't think it's autumn, but it's a great day today. And we're looking around the bay, around West Bay. We'll have a look, go up towards the holiday park now, Park Dean, and we're going to have a look at that in just a sec. Stay with me. Yeah, we just arrived in a Park Dean holiday park, and this is the entrance for it. I'm not going to go in, but this is the entrance for it, as you can see, just here. Park Dean Holiday Park, and not a bad place. I've heard some good reviews on it, so yeah, so Park Dean, have a look at the reception, shall we, before we leave and move on. Yeah, reception is just here as you walk in to Park Dean, and reception is just there. Welcome to the bay reception. And then you got, as you go up, you got all the caravans up that way, and then you're coming back out. You got a lovely little setting over here when you stop here. Tables, chairs, have a nice cup of coffee in the summer, right? And everything to look forward to for holidays in summer 2026, eh? Well cleaned as well. Yeah, so as we're moving on, we've got ice cream and donuts at a restaurant just here. I'll show you in a minute. Just here. This is the, oh, it is open. Everything's fully open today. Yeah, so you got this here, seafront food corner. There, hot dogs and burgers, all sorts of things around here today. Street food. And as we walk up towards, this is some of the harbour where you can expect when you get down here. What a lovely day it is today. Beautiful day. Yeah, so walking up, let's have a look at the harbour side from this angle in a minute. There's the harbour. So we're on the other side of where we was, like the George Hotel, and you can see the harbour amusements in the distance there. You've got all that beautiful, beautiful harbour of West Bay. So we'll move on and have a look at the pier next. So we're at the top end of the pier now, and nice for dog walking, and have a look at some of these over here. The harbour, look at that. Yeah, this is some of the West Bay harbour here. and quite a bit to do. You got a nice pier to walk up in the mornings on a nice and warm day. Of course, it's not too bad today, but for this time of year anyway, to be honest. And we'll have a look at the pier. You know, that place over there where the dogs, you can take dogs in there. Breakfast, lunch, I'm not sure what it's actually called, but you can take dogs in there. The dog cafe, eh? The dog cafe. Walking down here now, down towards the pier, and we'll see what we can see down here, and see if I can show you as much today so you know what to expect when you come to West Bay for your holidays next year. And it's going to be one hell of a year. I think it's going to be busy, and we've got winter to look forward to. Not, of course, but anyway, this is hopefully I'm going to show you as much as I can today. So have a look at this. This is the pier all the way up to the end there, and have a look at the sea's a little bit rough today, but it's not too bad, to be honest. Obviously it's going to be breezy because we're right on the water's edge. There's the rocks we just seen over there with the drone, and you can see the water splashing up the side over there. We'll have a little look at that in a minute. Yeah, I'm sure those rocks over there was famous for harbour lights and Broadchurch over there. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. And that's where we was, just over there, flying the drone. But I wouldn't recommend walking too close to the edge of those rocks at the top, because they are a cliff collapse at the moment, so I wouldn't recommend it at the moment. So that's the top of the pier, and we're going to walk back down now and see if we can see some other parts of West Bay while we're up here, so it gives you a good idea for your holidays in 2026. Wow, it's a lovely day for walking your dog, or having a party, or sitting on the beach all day, because it's still only about, well, I'd say about 10 o'clock in the morning at the moment, and it's pretty warm. It's not too bad at all today. I've got my coat on, but it's not a t-shirt job, but it's still comfortable, I'd say. Not too bad at all. If you like the video so far, please consider subscribing to the channel, and leave a message in the comments if I've got anything wrong today, or you want to comment on the Rise Restaurant or the Broadchurch Rocks or the Harbour Lights. If I'm wrong, leave a message in the comments, or leave a message if you've been to West Bay and some of your memories of West Bay you've had over the years. Love to hear from them. See, if not sure you can see that in the sky, there's a rainbow in the sky, so that means there's rain about somewhere, and it's a little bit choppy along this this pier bit. So I'm just going to show you from the top here, and I'll spin the camera around so you can have a good old look at where we've just been up there. Yeah, so that's what to expect. We just walked up, had a look at the beautiful sea. Yeah, a bit rough today, and ahead of you you've got the pier, and then over towards the over there you got the harbour lights where Broadchurch on those rocks over there, and coming round you got the little harbour, and you got that cafe where you can walk the dogs in. Yeah, you've also got some little restaurants up here as well to have a burger and a cup of coffee if you want. Now we're walking back down now towards the George Hotel and the car park where we started off originally. Yeah, so just walking back towards the car now, and ending the video today. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe, support the channel, give us a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next video. And hope this gives you a little bit of a clue. If you're going to come to West Bay in 2026, you made the right choice. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.